Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by collecting the rectangle sides, ask the user for length and width, and immediately convert both to float so decimals work. Once done, assign them to variables like length and width to keep code readable. Next, compute the perimeter using the mathematical formula 2 asterisk, length plus width, because it covers both pairs of opposite sides. Make sure to avoid importing unnecessary modules. This stays simple and runs in any standard Python environment. You now implement the middle steps. Write the input, conversion, and calculation lines inside a small block that validates data. Use try / except around float to catch typing errors and give the user a clear message. Also enforce non-negative values because negatives don't make sense for lengths. Either reprompt or print an error and exit. Once calculated, consider rounding the perimeter to 2 decimals for neat output and explain to the user why rounding improves readability. You finish by formatting and printing the result using an F string so the output reads naturally. Perimeter 30, 0. Save the script and run it from your terminal to test several cases including integers and decimals. Make sure to test edge cases like 0. If results look wrong, verify that inputs were converted to float, ensure no stray integer division issues, and confirm parentheses around length plus width. Troubleshooting tip: a common bug is forgetting to cast input, so check types first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.